Fix in 5. P0218. Transmission over temperature condition. If your scanner threw this, here's exactly what's going on and what to do. Your car is telling you it's not okay. Believe it. First, the symptoms. Transmission temperature warning light illuminated on dashboard. Verify with OBD2 scanner freeze frame data. Transmission fluid temperature. Above 115 degrees Celsius, normal. 80 to 100 degrees Celsius. Verify with OBD2 scanner live PID transmission temp. Reduce transmission performance or limp mode activation. Verify with test drive. Note shift response and RPM behavior. Transmission shifts erratically or refuses to shift gears. Verify with test drive with OBD2 scanner monitoring shift commands. Now the most likely causes. Low transmission fluid level, 45% of cases. Fluid level below MIN mark on dipstick. Insufficient volume reduces cooling capacity. Transmission fluid contaminated or degraded, 25% of cases. Fluid appears dark brown or burnt, normal, bright red. Aged fluid loses thermal stability. Transmission cooler blocked. One mistake to avoid. No, continue driving with P0218 is not recommended. This code signals that your transmission is at risk of heat-related damage. The fluid cannot lubricate or cool as intended when overheated, rapidly accelerating wear or causing sudden FAI. What does it cost? Roughly €35.85 doing it yourself, or €155.205 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. How to fix it? Check and top up transmission fluid to specification. Perform transmission fluid and filter change if fluid is degraded. Replace transmission temperature sensor if faulty. Flush transmission cooler if blocked. The scanner and part-side use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 495 models. People also ask, how much does it cost to fix P0218? Repairing P0218 typically ranges from €150 to €800 plus depending on the root cause, labor rates in your region, and whether OEM or aftermarket parts are used. Professional diagnosis is strongly recommended. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0218. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.